tree is native to the northern United States,
Okay.
where the Osage Indians were, and they made canes out of it. So one of the names is Osage orange, orange for the color.
Okay.
And it was brought into this country to make fences, not fence posts, but fences. Before barbed wire was invented, they planted the trees and then cut them certain ways to make a fence that the cattle wouldn't go through.
Oh, got it,
And
got
then
it.
later, when barbed wire came along, they used the same thing, same tree to make fence posts.
Oh, got
The
it.
tree doesn't rot at all. There's only one or two things that can eat them, and not only that, but also the carp is made out of
Okay.
It's called Bhutto, Bois d'Arc, which is French, means wood of the bow.
Oh,
And so when the French came into the area up there, they called it the bow that the Osage Orange people made their canes out of.
and you are making these sticks with your hands?
Say that again?
You are making, yeah. How you do the polish and all these things?
Yeah, when you look away, it's hard enough for me to understand you with this on. So
Right,
when you
there's a
look
mask
away,
like
I
a-
don't stand there.
Yes, yes. Actually, my question is like a
What I do
yes.
doesn't really have anything to do with anything, but I use a draw knife
Okay.
and I use other tools. But when I first start, usually I will use a table saw, but the wood will actually dull most things like a chainsaw or a regular table saw. You have to use a carbide.
Okay. Sure. And also, I have a question. Why you have the sticks in pairs?
Why?
Like a pairs, two sticks.
Oh, okay.
साईं ये देखो ये
I'll explain it. Let me get
साईं ये इन जे करे ब हे स्टिक्स जोड़ी जोड़ी में था
see the one that's further down.
दिस वन
Well, don't do that because do the one straight across.
ओके दिस वन
Yeah, do that. Bring that.
साईं ॾिसो हे छा थो करे ॿुधाए
All right. So now the
हे साईं स्टिक खोले तो पियो चाचो